If you're looking for a power cord that combines durability, safety, and compatibility, this 6 feet AC power cord might be exactly what you need. Designed with IT professionals in mind, it offers a reliable connection for laptops, notebooks, and other devices without compromising on quality or performance. This power cord features a NEMA 5 to 15P plug on one end, perfectly suited for North American outlets, and an IEC 60320C5 connector on the other. That means it fits most laptop power bricks, monitors, scanners, printers, and other office equipment, making it a versatile choice for your workspace. With an 18 Aruban Florence gauge and a maximum rating of 125 volts at 10 amps, this cable delivers consistent power safely. Its 6-foot length gives you enough reach to connect devices comfortably without cluttering your desk or workspace with excess cable. Safety is a top priority here. The cord is UL listed under UL62 and UL817 standards, ensuring it meets strict electrical and fire safety requirements. The fully molded strain relief on the C5 connector enhances durability, reducing wear and tear where it matters most. The cable jacket is made of PVC with an SJT rating, which means it can handle temperatures from 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, without degrading. This makes it suitable for a variety of environments, from home offices to more demanding workstation setups. One standout feature is the 100% copper wire inside. Copper ensures efficient power transfer and reduces the risk of overheating, which means your devices get steady, reliable power every time you plug in. Many users appreciate how sturdy and reliable this power cord feels. One reviewer shared that after switching to this cord, they were impressed by its build quality and durability. It's a product that's designed to last, not just a quick fix. If you've ever dealt with frayed or faulty laptop power cables, you know how frustrating it can be. This replacement cord offers peace of mind with its robust construction and safety certifications, so you won't have to worry about interruptions or hazards. The black color and slim 0.3-inch diameter keep it low profile and easy to manage alongside your other cables. It blends well in professional settings without standing out or getting tangled easily. For IT professionals and everyday users alike, this cord is more than just a power cable. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and includes free 24/5 multilingual technical support. That means help is available whenever you need it, making this a smart long-term investment. Whether you're replacing an old or damaged laptop charger cable or setting up a new workstation, this power cord fits seamlessly. Its compatibility with a wide range of devices makes it a practical addition to any tech setup. If you value safety, durability, and reliable performance, this AC power cord is worth a look. It's designed to meet professional standards while offering the convenience and peace of mind that come with a trusted brand. The 6-foot length strikes a balance between flexibility and manageability, so you won't have to stretch or rearrange your workspace awkwardly. It's just the right size for most desks and workstations. Its fire rating of VW1 adds an extra layer of protection, reducing the risk of fire hazards in your home or office. That's a feature you don't always find in standard power cords, but it matters when safety is a priority. This power cord's universal compatibility with North American outlets and most laptop bricks means you don't need multiple cables for different devices. One cord covers your laptop, monitor, scanner, or printer with ease. If you're an IT pro or just someone who wants a dependable power cable without hassle, this product delivers. The combination of certified safety, quality materials, and customer support sets it apart from generic alternatives. Consider how often you rely on your laptop or workstation. A power failure or loose connection can disrupt your workflow or even risk data loss. This cord minimizes those risks by providing a stable and secure power connection. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your power setup. The durable design and professional-grade features make it a straightforward choice for anyone who wants a dependable, long-lasting laptop power cord. In short, this 6 feet AC power cord offers what you need: safety, compatibility, and durability. It's designed to handle everyday demands while giving you confidence that your devices are powered reliably. Worth a look if you want a no-nonsense replacement cable that just works.